In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use an API token in Atlassian effectively. We'll be going through each step from accessing the Atlassian API token page to utilizing your token in API calls, ensuring you can manage your Jira tasks with greater ease and security. To kick things off, we'll open Chrome and navigate to a specific URL, https://id@atlassian.com/manage API tokens. This is the Atlassian API token page, the starting point for our tutorial today. Be sure to use Chrome or whichever web browser you prefer for the optimal user experience. As soon as you land on the page, you'll be prompted to log in. Enter your Jira or Atlassian account email and password to proceed. This login step is key as it verifies your identity and grants you access to your dashboard and all the crucial tools we need for this setup. Once you're successfully logged in, look for a button labeled Create API Token. Give it a click. This step initiates the process of generating your token, which is a unique key that will secure the connection between Jira and any external applications you might be working with. We're now at the stage where naming your token is next on the agenda. Pick a simple and recognizable name like My Jira Token. An effective name will help you easily identify the token in the future, particularly useful if you end up managing multiple tokens for various functions. Having named your token, hit Create to generate it. This step is quick and almost instantaneous. Your new API token will appear right away. It's essential to treat this token like a password. It's a safeguard against unauthorized access, so keep it secure. Once your token is visible, click on Copy to Clipboard. This is your only chance to save it because, for security reasons, you won't be able to view this token again later. Make sure you paste and save it in a secure place. A password manager is a perfect option to prevent any loss. With your token safely stored, it's time to put it to work in your Jira API calls. Here's how. Whenever you're making a basic authentication request, you'll use your email address as the username. Instead of using a password, you'll input the API token that you just created. This method adds an extra layer of security when interacting with Jira APIs, effectively protecting your sensitive password details from exposure. And there you have it. You've successfully created and saved an API token and learned how to incorporate it into your Jira API calls. By following these steps, not only do you enhance your workflow's efficiency, but you also strengthen your security measures when handling Jira projects. Thank you for following along with this guide, and I hope it empowers you to manage your Atlassian tasks and integrations with more confidence.